Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the controller off, removing the battery or pack, and taking out the 5 screws, 1 hidden under the battery door and 4 on the back. Once removed, use a plastic pry tool to separate the halves gently. You want to avoid snapping clips. Make sure the shell opens away from the circuit board so you don't stress ribbon cables. Keep screws organized in a tray and work on a clean surface to prevent losing tiny parts. Once the halves are apart, disconnect ribbon cables and unplug the vibration motors so the PCB can move freely. Next, unscrew any standoffs holding the board and lift the PCB carefully. Note how flex cables route. Locate the thumbstick module. Some models clip in, others are soldered. If soldered, desolder the 3 pins and remove the old module. If clipped, depress the tabs and pull straight out. Fit the new module in the exact orientation and secure, or solder the pins cleanly. After installing the new thumbstick, carefully reseat the PCB, reconnect all ribbon cables and vibration motor plugs, and replace any standoffs and screws in reverse order. Snap the shell back together, reinstall the battery, and power on the controller. Then calibrate the stick through your console or a PC utility to confirm range and dead zone. If input is off, make sure solder joints are solid and cables fully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.